Terminate. The company decided to terminate the contract and hereby notifies all partners of the immediate change. Terminate. The company decided to terminate the contract and hereby notifies all partners of the immediate change. Hereby, I hereby declare that the new security protocols will become operative starting tomorrow at midnight. Hereby, I hereby declare that the new security protocols will become operative starting tomorrow at midnight. Operative. While the new investment plan is operative, interest will continue to accrue on your savings account monthly. Operative. While the new investment plan is operative, interest will continue to accrue on your savings account monthly. Accrue. If you let debts accrue without fixing your finances, your overall quality of life will slowly begin to decay. Accrue. If you let debts accrue without fixing your finances, your overall quality of life will slowly begin to decay. Decay. The old tuxedo showed signs of decay, with frayed edges around the cuffs and missing buttons. Decay. The old tuxedo showed signs of decay, with frayed edges around the cuffs and missing buttons. Cuffs. After spilling coffee on his cuffs, he reached into his bag and accidentally pulled out a pack of floss instead of a tissue. Cuffs. After spilling coffee on his cuffs, he reached into his bag and accidentally pulled out a pack of floss instead of a tissue. Dental floss. After a whole day of popping bubblegum, he felt a desperate need to use some floss to clean his teeth. Dental floss. After a whole day of popping bubblegum, he felt a desperate need to use some floss to clean his teeth. Popping, new small boutiques are popping up all over the city, changing the face of local retail. Popping, new small boutiques are popping up all over the city, changing the face of local retail. Retail. The young entrepreneur was beaming with pride after opening her first successful retail store. Retail. The young entrepreneur was beaming with pride after opening her first successful retail store. Beaming. She was beaming as she finished the project, knowing it was finally time to terminate her long commute to the old office. Beaming. She was beaming as she finished the project, knowing it was finally time to terminate her long commute to the old office.